It's story time! Farm Fun by Alyssa Liang. This is a rooster. The rooster is singing. This is a cow. The cow is eating. This is a horse. The horse is running. This is a bird. The bird is flying. This is a cat. The cat is laughing. This is a mouse. The mouse is hiding. Let's read. Rooster, singing. Cow, eating. Horse, running. Bird, flying. Cat, laughing. Mouse, hiding. Let's do the activities.
Activity 1. Color the pictures. Say the name of each animal.
Horse, cow, bird, rooster, cat, mouse.
Activity 2. Trace the dots to find all the animals. What is each animal doing?
The rooster is singing. The cow is eating. The bird is flying. The horse is running. The cat is laughing. The mouse is hiding.
Activity 3. Help the animals find each other. Match them with the same color.
Horse, cow, bird, rooster, cat, mouse.
Activity 4. Say the sound of each letter. Color the picture that begins with the same sound.
B, bird. K, cat. H, horse.
Activity 5. Test your understanding of the story. Say the name of each animal and what it is doing.
Horse. The horse is running. Cow. The cow is eating. Cat. The cat is laughing. Rooster. The rooster is singing. Mouse. The mouse is hiding. Bird. The bird is flying.